Pick up yourselves. We're here by one of the schools, and as you guys can see right there, roofs came off the whole entire school. School is damaged. We're up here by Jarrett Park, St. James. The whole hillside up here is damaged, guys. You see all the destruction from this thing. And this is Colnaughty, and road is blocked. Cousin them is coming from down there and shut down, guys. Nothing was spared here in Montego Bay, guys. Tell you that much. Wicked, wicked storm, guys. Not a joke. Stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Woof. Horrible. My roof mount is not on, so my hand's a little bit unstable, guys. Don't pay that no mind. I'm trying to just get you guys different angles of what's going on. Holy smokes. This is what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Bring you first live coverage in the morning after Hurricane Melissa, guys. This is crazy. Everything. We're going up to my cousins right now because we done fixed up our place already. So I'm heading to my cousins right now, guys, to help them cut down some trees that fell on this house. So we're going up there on the move, and we're just videotaping some of this footage of the disaster in Montego Bay. Look at all them cars and stuff that got damaged. All that stuff, guys. Floods. Down here is like a flood zone. It's by the creek, so a lot of water will come down. And this is what's up. Holy smokes, guys. Damn. Look at all these trees. Done. Damn. Look at this cotton tree, guys. Holy smokes, look at this. Damaged. This dude is moving off behind me and not even looking. Did you guys just see that? So, this is what's up, guys. Trying to give you the best footage I can give you while I'm driving. So, wires, light wires, zincs, everywhere. Look at that. Holy shit. Melissa was the most horrible storm. Gilbert was nowhere near what this was. Melissa is worldwide, guys. No joke. Yo, guys. Me and Rasta and them is here, guys. And this, we went through it last night, guys. Yep. Cuz is here, Laurie's here. We here, we all good. Bless up yourselves. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Make sure please like, share, subscribe, guys. So we heading to my cousins right now, guys. And whoop, whoop, I gotta avoid this zinc. Oh my God. Look at all the trees on my cousin's block. And the breadfruit tree is still on his house, cuz. Look at that. On the house. Look at that breadfruit tree right there, guys. So this is the tree we're gonna attack in a second. Oh shit. I just hit my goddamn car on that damn breadfruit tree. Alright, let's get over here on this side so people can pass. And let's get back here. Alright. Hey guys, so woof woof. We're on the spot. So we're gonna take you outside and let you guys see what's happening. We're here on the block. I gotta grab my phone, my lighter, and everything else. So we're gonna do some work, guys. Bless up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We're here. And we're at my family's place, and you guys, as you can see, it's devastating. It's what's up. So we're heading to get to that breadfruit tree right now, get that down in a second, and see how we're gonna do this without dropping it on top of the house. Woof woof. So stay tuned, guys. Friggin' trees in the world to deal with is the breadfruit tree, and this is what we're dealing with. Breadfruit tree. This will break even as big as you see this shit. You'll climb on that and it will break in half. I swear to God, this is the weakest tree. This tree is unpredictable and it's very heavy. So this is what's up. We're trying to clip this so it don't drop on the house. So stay tuned. We're here, guys, and trust me, storm has done a damage. Drastic damage in the area. So stay tuned. We are. Dangerous situation, guys. Look at Cuz. Cuz is way up there. Look where we at. On the rooftop. There's, huh? Bro, listen to me, man. I'm talking, and I know it's dangerous, bro. So why you think I'm videoing this shit? Because you're doing something that's like crazy shit. And this is crazy. This is a breadfruit tree. At any moment. Yo, you remember that big breadfruit tree up in that party that we played, cuz? That the breadfruit tree was bigger than this shit? And the man walk up on the breadfruit tree and they drop on the hillside. We was playing that dance. Yeah, bro. Eh? Who? Jesus Christ. Rasta, my way I lift up that big wood there, you know. Soul man yard there, you know, cuz. Cuz, a soul man yard there. So you have to watch your speech carefully. You seen how big this breadfruit tree was, and cuz got it under control because we almost done, and trying to get it off this house here. So this is what's up, guys. Stay tuned. Oh man, the catch over there behind good. I in front, I catch him a cutino. No sir, not touch the belt if you go. Alright. Where's the saw? Start the saw. Give him the left foot of slippers. You sure you're barefoot better up there than the slippers?
Left foot.
Oh. Yeah, that way I tell you, better you stand on the other side. Or sit on, yeah.
Put yourself where you have to have. Put yourself? Yeah.
Give me slippers or you want to get. Number Miguel. Fast started. Huh? I'm good, man. I'm good, bro. Come on, take your time. Take your time, let down.
Bingo.
Damn it.
Alright, sir.
Take the saw first. Rasta, I have cut up smaller. With Terran. So we're still there with Terran, guys. Here cutting this tree down. We got far on it though. Getting ready to head home in a bit after we finish this. Alright, come on, cuz work your magic. We got things to do.
Watch up. Okay.
Come in.
front, yeah.
You lock them around no back.
What?
See, judgment.
Yeah. Why?
Yeah, come around so can't touch you back. You peg around there, so.
It not go shoot off, they'll just drop on the wall because it's too heavy for roll. It not go roll.
Piece will touch your window. Give me the light then about.
Alright, grow on a back now. Come on this side and grow on a back now. Terran, hold the light for him. Take your time, you know, cause don't rush it, you know.
Remember, say pipe around it.
Yeah.
But it is low. Take a look before you spot.
In good man, that good in seat.
Okay. Jerry.
May I have you, bro. Bang bang. Fuck, tip now one sitting full of water up there, right? Alright, them good.